Hello, welcome. In this video, we will show you how to install SoMachine version 4.3 using SoMachine Configuration Manager. When install new version, option is grayed out, just like this picture. In SoMachine Configuration Manager, we want to select the Setting tab. Under Known Path for installation media on hard drive, we want to click the plus button. We want to browse and select the location of the DVD or the ISO on our computer. In this case, I have the ISO file. Once select the ISO file, click OK, and then we want to go back to Installation tab. Click on Install New Version. Click OK. Click on Install Now, and then you can start the installation. Thank you for watching.